VIP.
Whoever is here, just take one. Just one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Today there is no VIP here. Today we are doing is mangan. Today we are equal.
Guys, this is a fantastic moment once again.
Okay.
Things here are making shape. And this is how we're just doing this once and for all. So guys, it's just the bones. We are just doing some frying there. And everything here
This is
making
ochuri. We used to call it
videos are coming then and then.
today. Fabian who? The teach Rob Muita. Chief. What? That is so amazing.
I'm cooking that thing, like rogan.
Hey.
What is this?
Actually, the manager.
What is this? What is the name of ochuri? It doesn't have English name. Biological name, English name.
Guys, already these are rising. As you can see, these are rising.
Wow, this is money.
What's up, guys? Rotich Robi Mucha again. I was blessed today to meet one of my friends, high school friends, classmate here Gintu.
Yeah man, what's up?
Kindly introduce yourself, Gintu.
I'm gonna name it's underscore Gintu.
Yes.
I'm now the chief chef here.
Yes.
Doing some barbecues here.
Yeah.
For the visitors who are coming inside here today. And today I'm in this department of fishery.
So guys, as you can see, it's party after party today. So as you can see, we are doing it. So we are going on, guys. So here we have, I got a chance to make new friends again. Here I have my friend Kibe. Introduce yourself, guys.
What's up, guys? My name is Kibe. I go by the name Why Not Kibe on YouTube, guys. Thank you so much for featuring me in your channel, man.
Okay, guys, I go on. Here there is a beautiful lady here. Introduce yourself kindly, please. Okay, guys, let's go on. I have another lady here. Introduce yourself, please.
Yes, hello everyone, it is Maria here. Yeah, I as well have a YouTube channel and I go by the name Marination. It is K-I-double-D-Y. K-I-double-D-Y.
Okay, guys. So we are going on still. We have another friend of mine here.
Yeah, I'm dealing with some water, as you can see.
Introduce yourself, bro.
Okay, guys, welcome to... What is your channel?
My channel name is Rotich Robi Mucha.
Rotich Rob Muita. Okay, welcome to Rotich Rob Muita channel. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel, commenting and liking his video. Guys, our YouTube channel goes by it's Anesto. Please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment and like my video. Guys, as you can see here today, there is some kapati. Is it the kapati?
Sapati, bro.
Kapati. There is some party here. Okay, we are enjoying, but still the food are not yet ready. When it's be ready, we will invite you. Okay, guys, keep tuned, watch the video and keep full, guys. Full.
Thank you so much. So guys, as per my part, I'm doing this. I'm preparing a rice potato here. See? So guys, keep watching, keep subscribing.
That is a biological name. Ochuri in our language.
Ochuri is the Luo.
And the English name Ochuri. Yeah, in our local language we used to call it Igichure. But I don't know in English name. I don't know. Do you know? Yeah. Do you know?
In English name?
Yeah, in English.
I don't
you know you are a
Mr.
Engineer. Is it true? Bile juice is nini?
Bile juice.
Umekuja muda mzuri.
Soy sauce.
Wow.
Yeah, and also the condiment by the name the salt.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's good.
Of course.
I can see it in the smell, guys. The smell is so
It's coming.
good.
It's coming out.
Miami Kitchen 74. I think I subscribe back to me.
Okay.
Miami Kitchen 74. Yeah. So we've got another kitchen staff here.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Miami.
Right now.
And you're welcome to Kenya, to village Mohanzi.
Yeah. I don't know what to say.
So, yeah, I'm so happy.
I don't like it. I'm not taking that. I need to go and get one. Yeah,